Welcome to our journey through the mysterious realm of dream symbolism, where the graceful presence of cats holds profound significance. Join us as we explore the hidden meanings behind encountering cats in the realm of dreams. In the tapestry of dreams, the appearance of cats carries multifaceted symbolism. Dreaming of cats often signifies intuition, independence, and mystery. These enigmatic creatures serve as guides through the subconscious, offering insights into our deepest desires and fears. Encountering a cat in your dream may symbolize various aspects of your life. A larger cat could represent authority figures or a need for leadership, while a kitten may signify innocence, playfulness, or the nurturing of new ideas. Moreover, dreaming of cats may reflect your relationship with your own intuition and instincts. Pay attention to the cat's behavior and surroundings in your dream, as they may offer clues to your subconscious thoughts and emotions. Adopting a cat in your dream may indicate a desire for companionship or a need to nurture and care for others. Conversely, being chased by a cat could symbolize feelings of fear or avoidance towards certain aspects of yourself or your life. Before we conclude our exploration, we invite you to share your own experiences and interpretations of dreaming about cats in the comments below. What do cats symbolize to you in your dreams? In addition to their symbolic significance, the behavior and interactions of cats in dreams offer valuable insights into our subconscious desires and emotions. Whether they're prowling, napping, or purring, each action carries its own message. Furthermore, the presence of multiple cats in your dream may symbolize a need for balance and harmony in your life. Pay attention to the relationships between the cats and their surroundings, as they may reveal important truths about your inner world. As we unravel the mysteries of cat symbolism in dreams, may you find clarity and insight in the whispers of your subconscious. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest explorations. Until next time, may your dreams be filled with wonder and revelation.